Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Eye Eval 2 system selector. In this video, we will start on an open Eye Eval 2 form. The user is able to click on a Set All Normal button to indicate that the tests which have been conducted are within the typical and normal range. Please note that some panels and sections will not be marked or highlighted as they do not have anything which can be marked as normal. The Set All Normal button will change to the Unset All button. Click on the Unset All button to undo all panels which have been set as normal. All panels that have been previously made green will no longer be highlighted. The user is able to choose which panels they would like to exclude from the form. Click on the button of the name on the panel which the practitioner would like to be hidden. As an example, click on a problem list button. The button will now turn to grey, which indicates that the selected panel has now been hidden. Please note that the panel which have been hidden will no longer be available on the list of panels. Click on a problem list button for a second time to make the panel visible again. Please note that all panels within the History, Examination and Review of System section can be hidden by clicking on a corresponding button as explained above.